Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever shared an Excel file only to find out someone has added extra sheets or messed with the structure? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your workbook so that no one can insert, delete or move your sheets. It's a simple setting that keeps your file locked down and professional. Let's jump straight right in. So to do that, the first thing you want to do is to go to your review tab. From your review tab, you want to go to the protect workbook. Here, click on it. From there, you have dialog box that shows that the structure is automatically checked and you have option to use a password. So here, you can optionally use a password or not. So if you use a password, remember, you must always remember your password. So in order to unlock or protect your workbook. In this case, I'm not going to use a password. I'm just going to hit OK. After that, I'm going to try to add a new sheet, and yes, you can see I cannot add a new sheet. In order to unprotect your workbook, then you go back to the review tab, go back to protect workbook, and the next thing you want to do is to uncheck the structure, then click on cancel. Now automatically you will be able to add a new sheet to your workbook. I hope you find this useful. If you do, please hit the subscribe button. See you in another one. Thank you.